So here's how to use the flashlight on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So you may be wondering what other use you may have for your flashlight other than using it in a dark room or in a dark place, or you need to light your path as you're walking or as you're doing something in a place that is not well lit. So when you swipe up from the bottom of the watch face, you should see the torch or the flashlight icon. So you want to tap on it, and this steady light is what you can use in any of those situations. But if you're in any emergency, maybe you're lost or you need someone to find you, or in an emergency situation where you need to draw attention to yourself, you can simply swipe up and your watch is going to start flickering. The torch is going to start flickering and someone is going to be able to locate you easily in emergency situations, or someone is going to find you easily if you're lost. So that's basically how to use the flashlight on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, take care and God bless.